You get a global Passover inside. Hi, this is Marty, and it's your Minute of Marty. More like 5 minutes. And I'm going to actually talk about this box here, this Entwine ReOrdered Global Passover Toolkit. I picked this up online from the JDC Entwined. And in it, you get a Global Passover recipe book. And this recipe book is actually pretty cool. It has lamb biryani in it. And I gotta tell you that my wife is gonna love it. And also gefilte fish, like real gefilte fish. I'm really excited about putting this together and making a good meal for my family, even in this time of COVID-19, where we are sheltering in place. And we also have coasters. Now these coasters have things like salud on them. This is from Argentina. And then we have Atu Salud. This is from Sarajevo. So coaster here you can see. And then they have one from Yamas, from Greece. To our health. They have some others here from the former Soviet Union, from India, from Poland, from Ethiopia, which is pretty awesome, and then they have one from Morocco. So these are pretty awesome if you're going to use them for your Seder. You can hand them out and have people read off of them. On top of that, they have country cards. And the country cards are these community stories. They talk about the different countries, like Sarajevo and Greece, where the Jewish communities are historic and they've been around for a long time. There's stories from people who talk about diaspora as a Greek word, what it means spreading seeds, which is actually pretty cool. If you can really take a look at these and find stories that resonate with you, it's always good to find stories that resonate with you. They have community stories from Soviet Union, from the former Soviet Union, from Argentina, from India, and you know, like I said, this was a box that came in the mail for us. I gave them my information, they sent it out, and it's actually going to be interesting this year because, you know, COVID-19, we've got people being safe and at home, so we're not really having a big Seder this year, although we might have a bit of a larger Seder because it'll probably be on Zoom, and we'll see how many people we can get to that one. There's stories from Ethiopia, from Morocco, and you know, these are actually really cool. And then there's a host guide, which is the JDC Entwine's guide to the 4 questions, and it's trying to build a Jewish humanitarian organization. It works in over 70 countries, and it's reaching out to vulnerable Jews throughout the world. And I think that you know, that's something to be commended. This is actually pretty cool. And then to top it all off, we have the Entwine Kavannah card. And, you know, this just has some interesting things like, you know, what communities do I want to visit? And what global causes do I want to contribute to? And what issue do I want to learn more about? That's a pretty cool thing. And what actions could I take to support the global Jewish community? These are things I think about all the time, and it'd be great to bring them out in the Seder as we go through it. So thank you very much for watching today, and hopefully we'll all get out of the house at some point at the end of May. You know, you gotta laugh, you'll cry. So may your Seder be a sweet one, and hopefully we can all get past this and make it through to the other side. Well, have a good day.